In the previous lecture, we finished styling the header. In this lecture, we're going to start building the content. So on this one, we're going to need a section, a container, some titles, and links, some boxes. So go to brackets. So we're going to start creating a section element. Okay, inside this section, we're going to create a div, and we're going to add the class of container. And right after, inside the container, we're going to add a heading 1. And let's see what we have in here. Okay, we need this text here, so I'm just gonna copy it from here. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, but we have a different color here, so we need to do that. So I'm just gonna wrap this word here with the span, and I'm gonna close it up here, and I'm gonna add a class to it, which is gonna be blue, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the money earner. So I'm just gonna paste it and close it here. Okay, let's see. Okay, there it is. Now, what we need to do next, we need to add a div, which is gonna have a class of content right under the heading 1. Open a div, add the class content, and inside this content, I'm gonna add another div. I'm gonna add a class of box. Okay. Now, I'm gonna add a heading 3 because I think that's what we're using here. Yeah, we're using a heading 3 there. So heading 3. And I'm gonna let me just copy it because I really don't remember. Gonna paste it, and we're gonna change this the color of this text here. So I'm gonna add the span again with the class of blue. Okay. Well, then we need to create let's see, this container here, the box for the icon. So it's gonna have a class, and the class is gonna be icon large. And inside this icon large container, I'm gonna place an image. I'm gonna create an image tag, and this is a self-closing tag. I'm gonna add an attribute, the source attribute. The source attribute is gonna be which one is it? Let me see. Oh, this is the find icon, which is this one here, find icon. So we're gonna get into the folder image, and then we find the icon. There it is. Okay, and after that, I'm gonna add the alt attribute. And I'm gonna say a find icon, just like this. Okay, right after, I'm going to create a p tag, but it's gonna be after the icon large element. So So I'm gonna say um, let me just copy it again. Okay. Yeah, Blender makes it easy as possible for you to find the perfect match of the latest themes for your campaign. Okay. Um, Now what's next? We need to create a link, which is gonna be this one here. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. Um, this is gonna be. We're gonna add the hyper reference. It's gonna be. I'm just gonna put a pound sign because it won't take us anywhere. Okay. So I'm gonna say take a look. Take a look. Yeah. Okay. And now what we're gonna do. We need a. Let me see. We need this line here, a vertical line. So let me see. Okay. Right after the box, I'm gonna create a vertical line, but it's gonna be a div. It's gonna be a div, and this icon is gonna be vertical line. Okay. Um, and that's pretty it. Let me just. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna copy the box content, and I'm gonna paste it right under the vertical line. And what we need to do is just change the text. Um, for example, this one's gonna be designers for designers, and this one, what's it gonna be for? Sell your creativity. Okay, sell your creativity. Your creativity. Okay. Now we gotta change the image, which is gonna be the money icon. So I'm just gonna change it to money, and this one a money icon, or yeah, money icon. Now on the text, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna copy and paste it. Okay, that's pretty. That's pretty it. Okay, let's save it. And there we have our images, we have our links, our titles, and description. So what we need to do next is we gotta style it, but that's gonna be on the next lecture.